With BPI, kaya mo!
A nice afternoon to everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome our partners from the press and the media and our valued partners from BPI MS Insurance Corporation, led by President and CEO Noriyuki Kobayashi, and all our BPI colleagues who helped make this milestone possible.
The Cosman family are empowered to deal with sickness urgently. Hope and healing are possible.
BPI Kaya Care provides you confidence to access treatment
Where banking meets compassion and where insurance becomes an instrument of empowerment.
Plug in together with BPI Kaya Care. Kayang-kaya natin. And together we can face life's uncertainties with confidence, knowing support is within reach. This is BPI Kaya Care, meaningful, accessible, and truly treatment. Maraming salamat po. Domo arigatou gozaimashita.
Kaya na with BPI, kaya care. Kaya na with BPI, kaya care.
Kaya now with BPI Kaya Care.
BPI Kaya Care is a testament to what shared purpose can achieve.
This is what we want to happen, so you can dream further and accomplish your goals in life, and you have more to do what's beyond reality.
This is our commitment. This is our purpose. And with BPI Kaya Care, we can proudly say, kaya na. At kaya natin harapin ang bukas.